Yo, what is up guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change Instagram back to chronological order. This is something that a lot of Instagram users were asking for, and it is finally here. So in order to get this new update, what you need to do is you need to first update your Instagram app to the latest version. So either go to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and check if you have an update available for your Instagram app. If it says update there instead of open, then you want to download that update and then open up Instagram. Once you've opened up Instagram, now you'll see at the top left hand corner with the Instagram logo, you now have a little drop down arrow pointing down next to the Instagram logo. If you tap on that down arrow, it's now going to say following and then favorites. Now, if you want to see the chronological order, just tap on where it says following. That'll show you a new feed, and this is now your following feed, which will be in chronological order. As you scroll down, you'll see that the posts are in chronological order. Now I just went through and watched all the posts that were here, so now it says end or following. But whenever there are new posts and you want to see them in chronological order, you go here. But every time you open up the Instagram app, it is, so if I close out the Instagram app real quick, if I go back into Instagram right now, it's going to default back to the normal view of Instagram with the suggested posts and everything like that. So you're going to have to tap on following every single time to see your posts in chronological order. So you can see that one was 16 hours ago. This one was 17 hours ago, 18 hours ago. So it is in chronological order. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.